Make your Moto G85 5G smarter with these 3 hidden features. So let's get started. Number 1. Do you want to stop an app without uninstalling it? Let's see how to pause an app on your phone in seconds. At first, simply long press on the app icon you want to pause. After that, tap on pause app icon from here. This will completely stop the app from running in the background. You won't receive any notifications from it, and it won't use mobile data or drain your battery until you open it again. Now if you want to unpause the app, just tap the app which you want to unpause. Then tap on unpause app. Now your app will unpause. Use this feature to avoid distractions from unwanted app notifications and save your phone's battery by stopping the app from running in the background. Number 2. At first, open settings. Then tap on display. After that, tap on display refresh rate. Now you will see options like auto, 60Hz and 120Hz. You can choose 120Hz for smoother scrolling and animations or 60Hz to save battery. For better battery life, I recommended using 60Hz. Number 3. In the display settings, just scroll down, then tap on screen timeout. Now here you just turn on the attentive display option. This feature keeps the screen on while you are looking at it, so it won't turn off automatically. It's really helpful when you are reading or watching something. So that's it. These were the top 3 hidden features of your Motorola Moto G85 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips.